Number one, with regards to Tayammum, as Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said in Surah An-Nisa and in Surah Al-Ma'idah as well, in case of lack of water, or if the person is not able to use the water, if the water is available. فَتَيَمَّمُوا صَعِيدًا طَيِّبًا. Then he said, فَامْسَحُوا بِوُجُوهِكُمْ وَأَيْدِيكُمْ. فَامْسَحُوا بِوُجُوهِكُمْ وَأَيْدِيكُمْ. Wipe over your faces and your hands. As-sa'id, at-tayyib, is pure dirt. Any dust, any sand, any dirt that is in the street that sees the sun is pure, is tahir. So it will be sufficient for one person who cannot find water to perform wudu or ghusl, because at-tayammum is also valid for removing or lifting the major impurity as well. To strike once, according to Al-Imam Malik and according to Al-Imam Ahmad ibn Hanbal, and there are two schools of thoughts. One strike is sufficient. One, then it's dusty, and you wipe over your face, then your hands, and according to their madhab, it will be sufficient to the rest. And one strike will be sufficient. Al-Malikiyyah wal-Ahnaf, they have the view that it will be required to strike twice, once for each. One strike on the dust, on the sand, which is pure or tahir, as-sa'id al-tayyib, to wipe over the face, and another one to wipe over the hands, and they require to go up to the elbows. So in this case, these are the two different forms, but what's required is to wipe over the face and the hands, as Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said. Ammar ibn Yasir, may Allah be pleased with him, said to Umar ibn Khattab radiyallahu anh, that once he was in a state of impurity and he wanted to pray, so he flipped over, he kept flipping over the sand, as-sa'id al-tayyib, the pure dust or dirt. Then he said to the Prophet ﷺ, تَقَلَّبْتُ فِي التُّرَابِ, I kept flipping over so that I would dust my entire body from head to toe. The Prophet ﷺ said, كَانَ يَكْفِيكَ, it would have been sufficient for you to do like this, to strike with your hands over the dust, wipe your face and your hands. And this is tayammum, and as I said, it is sufficient to lift the major and the minor impurity.